welcome or welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Carol. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you my simple makeup collection. If you guys don't know, I've been collecting makeup since 2016 and I decluttered a lot of makeup in my collection because I don't use a lot of makeup, especially when the pandemic started. Here are the makeups that I keep and I keep using them. And if you're interested on my makeup collection, then please continue watching. I also want to say that I stopped buying makeup. Here are the makeups that I have right now. And I don't have any latest makeups right here in my collection. So this is the overview of my vanity slash my desk and connected to this part of my room as well. So let's start with this. So as you can see, this is all my journal stuff. So I have here my pens and random things there. I have my journal with me. I have my planner slash my taking notes, and I have this book, The Power of Now, and this is just my spiritual book that I want to read. So I just put them here on the side. And then I have here my sanitizer because we all know we need that every day. So this is just a fake plant that I got from dollar store, and this is my phone stand that I got from Shein, and glass plate. I don't know how you guys going to describe, but this is how it looks like. This is where I put my mug if I am drinking a tea or a coffee. Anything that I'm drinking, I put it there so it doesn't mess up my table. So I have here my brushes there. So I decluttered a lot of brushes already, and I'm planning to declutter more because they're really tight. So there, that's how it looks like. So this is just my everyday brush, and this is just my extra brushes that I have. So I just put them there. I have here my mirror that I got from Miniso back in the Philippines. So it's very dirty, so I put it there. And this side here, I have a fake plant that I got from dollar store, and I have here my essential oils, and I have my humidifier that my friend gave it to me, and this one on my side is my laptop. So let's move on to my drawer. So this is the overview of my makeup drawer. Very simple. Let's start with this part of my drawer. I have here my tools. So I have my curling lash here, some tweezer, some sharpener. I have like all my tool stuff that I need for my makeup. It's here. I have here my bronzer. So I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my fave. This is how it looks like, and this one is in the shade Rich Amber. I have my cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I have my, this is really old bronzer from Physicians Formula. I love this one. So I have my Essence Sun Club bronzing powder, and I have my Wet n Wild. I have a Benefit Hoola bronzer. So that's pretty much my bronzer. I have here all my mascaras. So I have 3 Total Temptation because these are my favorites. So there I have them. I have Falsies from Maybelline. I have Clinique, Too Faced. I have this Lancome. I have from Benefit and L'Oreal, from Milk, and from Too Faced. So those are just my mascaras, not a lot. And I have here just this random trunks on. If I have some pain, this is what I have to use, so I don't have to drink a medicine right away. And here as well, I have my Essence, I love Stage Eyeshadow Base. This is really good, affordable. And now let's move on here. This section, I have my concealer and my primer. So I have this Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Base Primer. If you want to have like a berry pop eyeshadow makeup. And this one is for the foundation. And I have this No Shine mattifier from Quip FX that I got back in the Philippines. And I have here my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Really love this one. This is my OG. The Sephora Beauty Amplifier Beauty Base. I use this one as my primer. I have my Essence, my OG favorite, Milk, Maybelline, NARS, e.l.f. concealer, all the very affordable concealers. I have that here for sure. And here I have my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Really love that. And here, this part of my drawer is powders. So let's start here. This is my Sephora powder. This one is the 23 Beige Natural. I have this FS brand from the Philippines. This is the two-way cake from, I forgot the FS means, but yeah. Coty Airspun, Too Faced, Nichido, Too Faced, Peach Perfect Color Pop. I have here my Maybelline. I have here my e.l.f. I think these are my bronzer, dual bronzer and blush. So there. And then this one, it's a different shade. There. These two shades, but I don't use them, but I love the product. So I keep them. And I just have this e.l.f. liquid shadow, as well as this one here. So that's pretty much my powder. The next part of my drawer is this eye palettes. So I only have few. I have this Morphe Artistry palette, and this is how it looks like. They're my first ever colorful palette, and I just fell in love this when I saw it in store. I have BC Cosmetics Dream Street that this was given to me by a friend, and a Beauty Professional. I have Beauty Glaze. I have Morphe by Jaclyn Hills. I have my James Charles. I have this Wet n Wild palettes. This is really good. I have Modern Renaissance by Anastasia, Clinique. I also have some parts here. I have Huda Beauty and another Wet n Wild. Those are just my eyeshadow. Let's move on to this small bin here. I just have all my lip products here. I have my Guerlain lip gloss. I have my Camex lip balm. I always have a dry lip, so I make sure I have that. I also have this Papao multi-purpose soothing balm. I also have this Rare Beauty blush, and I don't know, I think you can use this one as your blush and lipstick. So this one is in the shade Love there. And this one, I also have my Huda Beauty. I love this shade one. This one is in the shade First Kiss. I really love the shade of that. And here I just have my chapstick, lip liners from Essence, e.l.f. just a small stop for my lips. This part of my drawer, I have all my lip products as well. I have from NARS, Dior, Morphe, Maybelline. So this is Maybelline. And what else? I have Tarte, NARS, Sephora. So all the affordable ones, that's what I have there. And this one is a refill from the brand Inglot. This is their blush, and I don't have a place to put that one in, so I put it there. So I have my MAC, my favorite product. I have Essence, I have e.l.f., I have Shuomura, I have FS, Wet n Wild, NARS, Maybelline. I have this Milk, what do you call this, lip and cheek blush, I think. And then I have this Dandelion, if I'm not mistaken, this one. And I have here my MAC blush in the shade Blush Please. I love this. These two are my favorite blushes ever. So now let's move on to this part. I have my Anastasia Deep Brow. I have another lipstick all over the place. So this bin here, these are just my eye essentials as well. So I have here my, what I think this is Maybelline. Yes, I think this is my Maybelline palette before. ELF, Maybelline Eye Studio. I have here my liner, lash glue, brow setting, and I have here just random stuff. This is my Inglot eyeliner. I really love that. It's very pigmented. And now let's move on this part here of my drawer. This is gonna be the last part. So I just have these disposable falsies. They're really bad. I don't use this one a lot, so I throw some of my falsies, and this is only falsie that I keep. So I have my Morphe bronzer here, Morphe palette. I really love this one. And I have my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I also have my Glow Kit Anastasia highlighter. And this product here, I don't use this one anymore because it's really old. But this is the first palette that I got for myself when I'm starting to do my own makeup, so which is very special to me. So I have here my Puff, I have here Hourglass, and I have here Real Technique sponge. What else? This is just some accessories for the eyes. I have this Too Faced blush. I don't use this one, but I love the shape. I love everything about it, except I stopped using this one, but it's really good. For the last part of my drawer are my foundations and also my sponges. So I have a lot of this. I think it's time for me to throw some of my beauty sponge because they're really old. For my foundations, I have L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours, my favorite. I have MAC, Marc Jacobs, Maybelline, Makeup Forever. I have this MAC Strobe Light. I have NYX BB Cream. I have this It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better. I have Maybelline. I have First Aid. I have Estee Lauder and another Maybelline. And my Morphe sponge. And that is it on my makeup drawer. That's how it looks like. It's a very simple, and it's not a lot. It's not small collection as well, but it's really good for me because I was able to use most of them as much as I can. So I'm really happy. So sooner or later, maybe I'm gonna do a declutter. And it's hard for me to do a declutter because, you know, it's for me, it's still a money when buying this stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this one back here. And that completes my makeup collection. So guys, that's gonna be the wrap of my video for today. And I hope you have fun with my makeup collection that I shared with you. I'm so happy. I'm glad that I was able to do this one for you all. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Be good and stay safe. Bye!